Nature doesn't ask. Nature doesn't ask. No matter who you sleep beside, no matter truth or hidden lies, no matter love or broken trust, no matter passion, fear or lust, no matter vows or one-night flame, no matter honor, guilt or shame. When sperm meets egg, the process starts according to biology's laws. The cells divide, the body grows, following patterns nature knows. No questions asked, no moral test. Life begins through processes expressed. Nature doesn't ask your name. It doesn't judge your joy or shame. It doesn't weigh what's right or wrong. It simply carries life along. It doesn't check a wedding ring or why two people came to meet. Biology follows what it can without a moral master plan. A rapist may cause pregnancy, a stranger to eventually. A marriage can be broken still, yet conception follows biology's will. A teenager from one brief night may find new life has come to light. The process does not stop to see intentions or morality. Some believe that God ordains, others say that nature reigns. Some see purpose from above, others see inherited laws. The evidence we all can see, conception follows biology. The meaning people give to life depends on worldview, faith, and sight. Nature doesn't ask your name. It doesn't judge your joy or shame. The egg and sperm obey their role through living systems as a whole. Some call it God's eternal plan. Some say it's simply nature's hand. The question echoes endlessly. Who writes the laws of biology? Nature doesn't ask.